Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of American Dream Auto Protection. If you're considering an extended auto warranty to shield yourself from unexpected repair costs, this review is for you. We'll explore the platform's offerings, features, pricing, weigh the pros and cons, and conclude with whether it's a worthy investment in 2025. Plus, for those seeking alternatives, we'll suggest 3 other options. So let's get started. Founded in 2021, American Dream Auto Protect offers extended auto warranty plans designed to provide vehicle owners with peace of mind against unforeseen repair expenses. As vehicles age and manufacturer warranties expire, the potential for costly repairs increases. This is where extended warranties like those offered by American Dream Auto Protect come into play. The company positions itself as a nationwide provider catering to a broad range of passenger vehicles. The mission is to deliver comprehensive protection plans tailored to individual needs, ensuring that drivers can navigate the roads with confidence, knowing they're safeguarded against potential mechanical failures. One of the standout features prominently displayed on their website is the claim of being reviewed positively by many customers. This suggests a significant customer base and implies a level of trust and reliability in their services. Additionally, accolades such as top ranked by customers advocates and recognition from consumer affairs further bolster their credibility in the industry. Navigating their website, users are greeted with a user-friendly interface that emphasizes ease of access to information. In essence, American Dream Auto Protect aims to bridge the gap between expired manufacturer warranties and the unpredictable nature of vehicle repairs, offering tailored solutions that align with diverse driver needs and budgets. Let us talk about the main features of the American Dream Auto Protection. They offer 3 primary protection plans. The Silver Plan. This foundational plan covers essential components such as the engine, transmission, driver axle, brakes, cooling, electrical systems, and fuel delivery. It's designed for those seeking basic yet vital coverage for their vehicle's core systems. There's also the Gold Plan and the Platinum Plan. The Gold Plan builds upon the Silver Plan. It extends coverage to include the steering system. This added protection ensures that more intricate components are safeguarded, providing a more comprehensive shield against potential repair costs. And the Platinum Plan, as the most extensive offering, it encompasses all the features of the Gold Plan and further includes coverage for the suspension, air conditioning, seals and gaskets, and the navigation or GPS system. This plan is tailored for those seeking maximum protection for their vehicle. A notable feature across all plans is the inclusion of the 24/7 roadside assistance. This service offers up to $100 in towing benefits, up to $40 for battery boosts, and up to $20 for lockout assistance per occurrence. Additionally, trip interruption coverage and rental car reimbursements are part of the package, ensuring drivers have support during unforeseen events. The company also highlights a swift claims approval process, typically within 48 hours. This expedited service minimizes downtime and enhances customer satisfaction by addressing repair needs promptly. Now let us talk about the pricing. Specific pricing details are not publicly disclosed on the websites, as costs are influenced by factors such as the vehicle's age, the make, the model, the mileage, chosen deductible, and selected coverage level. However, American Dream Auto Protect offers month-to-month payments, allowing customers flexibility without long-term commitments. And they also claim to offer a money-back guarantee. A very easy way of getting pricing details is to request for a free quote, which allows you to fill in your details as to your car year, the make, the model, the mileage, and a couple of other information. There's also a prominent advert on the website right now. It comes up as a banner on the topmost part of the website and on some of the pages where it says that you can take $350 off all new plans and get 3 months free when you sign up today. Isn't that incredible? Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using the American Dream Auto Protection. First, the pros. You get 3 months free. New enrollees receive complimentary coverage for the initial 3 months, with potential promotional codes offering additional 3 months. Comprehensive roadside assistance. All plans include 24/7 roadside assistance, covering towing, battery boosts, lockout services, trip interruption, and rental car reimbursements. There's also swift claims processing. The company boasts a typical claims approval time of 48 hours, facilitating prompt repairs. How about the cons? Limited eligibility. Coverage is only available for vehicles from the year 2000 or later, excluding older models. Mixed customer reviews. While the company showcases positive testimonials, some external reviews present a varied picture. You might want to have a look at that. In summary though, while American Dream Auto Protect offers compelling features and flexible plan, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons. And of course, to know how much a service costs, it's easy to request a free quote, then you can know if that falls within your budget. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Endurance, Car Shield, and Car Checks. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.